morning, everybody. It's Memorial Day, so we have kind of a quiet day here at the farm. I'm redoing the Northwind sign, not actually rebuilding this. This sign is 31 years old and needs redoing, but redoing the gardens in front. We have some remnants here that were actually planted 20 years ago. We also have a car going by, so we'll let the car go by. And we wave because it's Wisconsin, so I will actually wave at these people because that's what you do in Wisconsin. Watch this. And I gotta wave back. Isn't that cool? Thumbs up. This is nearly wild rose. This rose has been here for 29 years. It gets a little chewed up by a Japanese beetle, but for 29 years this rose has been here. Perovskaya triplycifolia, 29 years this has been here. So we're making some changes out front. In front of the Perovskaya, I put a grouping of Calameris blue star. And then, as you can see, they're young plants, one larger group. And here I've got a new plant that I've not grown before called Achillea. It's millefolium, and it's vintage white. It has an upright growth habit, about 18-20 inches tall. And the stems, you can see the stems are stronger, so it stays upright instead of falling over. But it may fall over in heavier soils with higher organic content. So if you go over 4% organic content, the stem may stay vertical but fall and lean. So I put some nice groupings in, separated them out, and in between that I put in Echinacea pallida and Echinacea pallida hula dancer. And I mixed that with Echinacea prairie splendor. We have another car going by, so I'm gonna let the car pass. And I'll probably wave to them too, because the other people will feel bad if they don't get a wave from Northwind. See, and he waved back too. It's a wonderful place to be. So I saw this combination, Echinacea pallida and Echinacea purpurea, at Pete Outall's house. It was a beautiful combination. The flowers, the narrow petals of pallida with the larger foliage and the larger flowers of purpurea. So we'll see how this works. Again, I have more echinaceas than I do Achillea. You can have a group here, group here, group here, group here. And the echinacea weaves its way through. Again, the echinacea has a vertical growth habit, and the Achillea mounding growth habit. So it works out well, vertical coming through mounding. I move over here, and this is the Amsonia hybrid Northwind. It was a naturally occurring seedling I found here at the farm about 15 years ago. It's a beautiful plant, almost 4 feet tall. You can see the new growth after it blooms, coming after the flowering. So I needed something modestly tall in front of it, so I put Geranium tiny monster. So there's a group of Geranium tiny monster. I need only 3 of them because they're gonna get quite tall. So in a 2 by 3 foot area, I've got 3 of them. In the spring, we'll put bulbs through here. We'll drift some bulbs through the whole setting. In front of that, I put Silphia mori. Silphia mori has beautiful butter yellow flowers in late July to mid-August, and then all the way into September. Blooms all the way till late September with butter yellow. So that's our beginning right here. And we'll share more plant communities and plant combinations based on growth rate and growth habit, and mounding and vertical growth habit. So I'll see you later.